नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी मारुती शहाणे आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत करतो. ब्रिज कोर्समधील इयत्ता 10वी सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट 2 मधील आपण टेस्टबद्दल माहिती घेणार आहोत. ही टेस्ट आहे 13 गुणांची आणि याला वेळ आहे 30 मिनिटांचा. टेस्टच्या सुरुवातीला काही सूचना दिलेल्या आहेत, पहा सूचना काळजीपूर्वक वाचा. आपण आजच्या व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करतोय. आजची टेस्ट जी आहे ती सेमी इंग्लिश मीडियमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी आहे, त्यानुसार आपण माहिती घेणार आहोत. Question number 1, solve the following sub questions. This question is for 3 marks. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Chromosomes are mainly made up of a nucleic acid and. आता क्रोमोसोम कसे तयार झाले ते आपल्याला सांगायचं आहे. Yes, protein. Then second, pick odd man out. Frog, owl, fox and humans. So odd one is a human. Then question number 3, match the following. Here two columns are present, column A and column B. Simple tissue. So example of simple tissue is a meristematic tissue. Then second one is the complex tissue, and example of a complex tissue, that is the xylem. Then question number 2A, write the short answer, any one. This question is for 3 marks. The first question, why are naphthalene balls kept with clothes to be put away? See the answer. Naphthalene is a chemical substance which resists the growth of termites and fungi, due to which clothes get protected and remain in a good condition for a long time. And that's why the naphthalene balls are kept with the clothes to be put away. Then the second question, write difference between hardware and software. So in case of a computer, we know that hardware and software. First we see about the hardware. Hardware consists of all the electronic and mechanical parts used in the computers. Second one, CPU, memory, input devices, that is a mouse, keyboard, scanner, printer. These are the examples of a hardware. Then we see the software. Software refers to the commands given to the computer, information supplied to it, that we call it as input, and the results obtained from the computer after the analysis, that is nothing but the output. Then the second point, system software or the application software, these are the examples of a software. Then question 3, study the figure and answer the following questions. So this question is for 3 marks. Here the energy pyramid diagram is given. We see here different trophic levels, that is phytoplankton, zooplankton, fishes and the humans, and the energy level goes on decreasing in a vertical direction. Questions we see one by one. The first one, what is the most important source of energy in an ecosystem? We know that the sun is the most important source of energy in an ecosystem. Second question, what is your opinion about the direction of energy flow in the pyramid of energy? And the answer is, the direction of energy flow in the pyramid of energy is unidirectional, that is one way. Question number 3, explain the following question in detail, any one. So one question we have to solve, and this is for 3 marks. First one, sketch and label the figure of a spirogyra and write its characteristics. So we can draw the diagram of a spirogyra as like this. In the diagram we see the cell wall, nucleus, then pyrenoid and the spiral chloroplast. Now we see the characteristics of the spirogyra one by one. The first one, it belongs to the division Thallophyta. Second, do not have the true root stem and leaves. It is green in color, perform the photosynthesis function. It mainly grow in a fresh water, and its body is multicellular and thread-like. Then second question in this, write the name and function of a growth hormones in the plants. So different kinds of the growth hormones are there. We see one by one. First one is the auxin. It helps in shoot growth of apical part of the plant. Second one, gibberellins. They help in stem elongation. Next one, abscisic acid. It is effective in prevention and retardation of a growth and leaf wilting. Then third one, what is chromosome? We can define chromosome as the structure in the nucleus of a cell that carries hereditary characters is called chromosomes. Fourth, write the name of various types of the chromosomes. So different types of the chromosomes we see. First one, metacentric chromosome. Second, submetacentric chromosome. Third one, telocentric chromosome. And fourth, acrocentric chromosome. Question number 4, answer the following question, any one, and this is for 5 marks. Question number 1, write any 5 principles of solid waste management in detail. We see here one by one. So 5 principles are there. First one, reuse. Use the item again and again even after using it. Use the item for some other suitable work also. Second is refuse to use. Refuse. Items made from the materials such as plastic and thermocol should not be used. Then third one, recycle. Recycling of waste products. Substances can be prepared, for example, recycling of a paper, glass and metal. Then fourth, rethink. Rethink your habits and their impact on the environment. Fifth one, reduce consumption reduction. Reducing the use of new items and reusing the old items can save the resources. Question number 2, write the names of the following tissues. First one, tissue lining inner surface of a mouth. And the example is stratified squamous epithelium. Then tissue joining muscles and the bones. These are the tendons. Next, third, tissue responsible for increasing height of plants, and the tissue is apical meristem. Then fourth one, tissue responsible for increasing the girth of plants, that is the lateral meristem. And fifth, tissues conducting water and minerals, and those tissues are nothing but the xylem. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इयत्ता 10वीच्या या प्री टेस्ट मधील सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे तुम्हाला नक्की कळाली असतील. एज्युकेशनल व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी माझ्या चॅनलवर जर आपण नवीन असाल तर जरूर सबस्क्राइब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन क्लिक करा, जेणेकरून मी ज्यावेळेला नवीन व्हिडिओ अपलोड करतो त्यावेळेला तुम्हाला त्याचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळेल.